Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Valiyevs, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's been making waves across the automotive world, the Tesla Cybertruck and its recent bans in the United Kingdom and Europe. Let's explore the reasons behind these decisions and what they mean for Tesla's futuristic vehicle. When Tesla unveiled the Cybertruck, it was clear that this was no ordinary pickup. Its sharp, angular design and stainless steel exoskeleton set it apart from anything else on the road. However, these very features have become a point of contention in Europe. European Union regulations prohibit vehicles with sharp external projections to ensure pedestrian safety. The Cybertruck's rigid exterior and angular lines raise concerns about increased injury risks in collisions with pedestrians and cyclists. Beyond design concerns, the Cybertruck faces challenges in meeting European safety standards. The vehicle has not been crash tested by European authorities, and its compliance with local safety regulations remains uncertain. In the UK, vehicles must obtain a certificate of conformity to be deemed road legal. The Cybertruck's absence of this certification has led to incidents where imported models were seized by authorities. Another significant issue is the Cybertruck's weight. With a curb weight starting at approximately 4,500 kilograms, or around 9,900 pounds, it exceeds the 3,500 kilogram limit for vehicles that can be driven with a standard UK driving license. This means potential owners would require a special license, adding another layer of complexity to its adoption in the UK and Europe. Further complicating the situation is the vehicle's lack of side mirrors and traditional windshield wipers. Many European countries require standard side mirrors for visibility and safety, whereas the Cybertruck relies on cameras instead. Additionally, the single large windshield wiper design raises questions about compliance with European weather and safety standards. These factors could further delay or prevent approval for road use. Another crucial aspect is the vehicle's software. Tesla's over-the-air software updates allow continuous improvements, but European regulators require that certain vehicle safety features remain fixed and cannot be modified remotely without additional approvals. This regulatory difference poses another challenge for Cybertruck's potential future in Europe. So what's Tesla's stance on these challenges? As of now, the company has not announced specific plans to modify the Cybertruck to meet European standards. The focus seems to remain on the North American market, where the vehicle has already gained a significant following. However, for the Cybertruck to make its mark in Europe, substantial design and engineering changes would be necessary to comply with regional regulations. The Tesla Cybertruck's journey into the European market is fraught with regulatory hurdles, primarily due to its unconventional design and safety concerns. While its futuristic aesthetics and performance capabilities have garnered attention worldwide, adapting to Europe's stringent safety standards presents a formidable challenge. Whether Tesla will undertake the necessary modifications to bring the Cybertruck to European roads remains to be seen. That's all for today's video. If you found this information insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Valiyevs for more automotive news and reviews. Drive safe and see you in the next video.